leather glove, grass-stained knees, game-winning run, make-believe, ball and bat, me and Dad, oh, I miss that. Spring sunrise, Sunday morn, little church, great big Lord. Simpler times, looking back, oh, I miss that. Where does all the time go when the time goes? Does it just fade away? Is there a plan where the second hand takes the minute hand and turns the other way? Or is it like a factory so busy making memories, leaving little tokens of what it's taken, reminders of the past? I miss that. Passing notes and holding hands, asking her dad if you could ask her to the dance, parking by the railroad tracks, oh, I miss that. Here you go. The innocence, yeah, wondering where the young me went, thinking about the time I spent just wanting to be older, watching Mom and Dad turn gray, yeah, calling them every other day, checking in, just saying hey, but crying when the conversation's over. Goes by so fast, running out of sand in the hour.